Good morning in class 11th accountancy, and as you know we are on chapter 1 and in continuation we will having today's topic qualitative characteristics of accounting. Yes, my dear children, as in before classes, in earlier classes, I explained you that there are various interested users of accounting. Okay, so here I want to explain you because there are various users of accounting like external users, internal users. So it is necessary that all accounts should be properly performed, properly prepared. Otherwise, there will be problem for taking decisions, for making policies. Okay, my dear children. So it is necessary that accounts should be prepared properly. Okay. So what are the features? Qualitative characteristics are required in accounting. Our today's topic is this. There are various qualities to be required for while preparing, while maintaining accounts, but mainly four. R square UC. You will keep that key term in your mind, that R square UC are the main feature of accounting. C, R, reliable. R, relevant. U, understandable. C, comparable. Okay. R, reliable. R, relevant. U, understandable. C, comparable. Means these four qualities you should have in your accounts. Four qualities: reliable, relevant, understandable, comparable. Reliable, relevant, understandable, comparable. Now I'll explain you it. See, qualitative characteristics of accounting information. First is reliability. Reliability means the account should be reliable. Then second is reliable. Reliable means those accounting information should be correct. Okay. Then second is, just I told you, R square, reliable. Second is relevance. Relevance means only those information will be entered in the accounts of the organization which are relevant to the business, not related to the other business, and relevant to that accounting period. Okay, so relevance means while preparing the accounts, the information should be related to the business, relevant to the business, or we should not enter the information of other organization. Then third, understandability, my dear children. Understandability means what? The account should be easy to understand. There should not be code language, code words, or some hidden information, or some other information should not be there. That should be prepared in this way, that everyone can understand the giving information properly. So understandability is the another feature, another characteristics of our accounting information. What do you understand by understandability? Yes, it is easy to understand. Do not use complex way for preparing accounts. That should be easy according to double entry system or according to the nature and requirement of the business, but the information should be easily understandable. There should not be use of co-words, hidden words, okay? Understandability. Then last is C. C. Qualitative characteristics of accounting information is comparability. Comparability means the account should be prepared in such a manner, that current year results can be matched, can be compared with the previous year's results. Okay, my dear children. So, accounting information should be present in that way that it should be easily comparable. Easily comparable means that should be comparable with previous results. And even future policies, future results estimated can be comparable with the present information. Okay, so 4 features or 4 qualitative characteristics of accounting are R square UC. Are reliable. See again, reliable means your information, your account should be free from bias, free from error, free from any fault, cheating. That should be reliable. Means correct and authentic information should be given. According to full disclosure principle, the information should be given properly and that should be reliable. Then relevance. The information should be relevant to the business only. Then understandability. The information should be present in an easy way. In easy to understand way. There should not be use of code word, hidden language and some complex way. It is easy to understand because many users are there, external or internal. Many users are there, those who don't know the basic terminology, basic accounting system, that can also understand your account. Yes, now next is comparability. The businessman should not change methods every year or after frequently means, because otherwise there will be problem for comparability. It is difficult to compare. Current year's performance should be compared with the previous year. Like the business is earning more profits than previous year. What is the increase in the asset? Everything is a businessman wants to know. So comparability is must. Accounts is present in this way that they may be compared with the previous year results, and even that may be compared with the other organization of similar business. Okay, so comparability. Okay, my dear children, we are going to sum up that topic. Qualitative characteristics of accounting are square UC, are reliable, are relevant, U understandable, C comparable. Now, see comparability. What are the objectives of accounting? Second topic, objectives of accounting. Why we prepare accounts? Yes, my dear children. Why we prepare accounts? Because we have limited memory. First point, to maintain business records. It is, देखिए, yes, loss of memory. We cannot remember all the transactions. So to maintain business records, it is necessary. Yes, it is necessary to maintain proper records of the business. See, if businessman is not maintaining proper records, there will be problem. What will be the problem? Maybe he will miss any transaction because there is lack of memory, loss of memory, retention is not possible. We cannot remember all the transactions of a day. That's why businessman prepares accounts in a chronological order. So to maintain business records, this is the objective of business. Then what is the another objective, my dear children? Yes, please, bataiye. Yes, what is the objective of accounting? On the day one, I told you accounts is prepared to know the profits or losses. The business is earning profits or having losses. This is the major aim of a businessman, to maintain accounting. This is the aim of accounting, that businessman should, organization should know the organization is going in profit or having loss. Otherwise, it is difficult to ascertain the profits or losses. Then, very good point, to ascertain financial position. Without accounts, we cannot estimate what are the assets, what are the liabilities. How one can measure, how one can ascertain financial position without accounts? That there should be accounts with the record detail of assets, with the record complete detail of liabilities. By that way, he can, or the business can find out the proper actual financial position, what are the assets, what are the liabilities, how much amount in his possession, how much amount he has to pay to others. So that's why accounts are necessary. And this is, in my opinion, this is the another aim of maintaining account. First is to know the profit and loss. Second is to know the asset and liabilities, or to know the financial position. Then next, last, objective of accounting is providing information to users. As in the previous class, I explained you, there are various users of accounting information. Yes, external and internal. External, who are the external users and why they use? See, first of all, external users are investors. They invest capital in the organization and they want to know the correct financial position. They want to know profit and loss of the organization. So the main external user is investor. Then second external user is government. Okay, why the government required accounting? What is the aim behind it? Yes, government impose taxes. That's why government is also an user of accounting system. Those business who are earning high profits, government will impose high taxes on them, and government make policies accordingly, taxes accordingly. Okay, so government is the society, employees, customers, suppliers, Okay, everyone, competitors, they also want to know that this business is earning profits or losses. What are their assets? What are their liabilities? So information to users. Now internal users. Yes, tell me who are the internal users. Yes, owners, management. Very good. Owners, management, all are internal users, my dear children. They also want to know what are their financial position, what are the final outcome of the business during the whole accounting year. So children, today we completed another topic, objectives of accounting, and objectives of accounting are 4. See, qualitative characteristics are different things. R square UC means what are the qualities required in an accounting system? Yes, in your accounting information. What are the desired way? R, reliable. R, relevant, understandable, comparable. Okay. Now the second topic, why we prepare accounts. Objectives of accounting. Aim of preparation of accounting. Why businessmen maintain accounts? First, to maintain business records. See, my dear children, if there is no accounting system, how one can remember all the transactions of the day? Then all the transactions of the week, month, year, it's difficult to learn. So to maintain business records, one more aim behind it. Yes, I will explain you. Wait. These accounts are work as evidence, as a proof in the court, in the claim process. Okay. See, if you are not preparing your accounts properly and you are claiming that someone will give you 1 crore rupees, what is the proof? Court worked on the proof. So in that case, you will not be able to get the claim. That's why, my dear children, if you are preparing your accounts in a chronological order, be relaxed. This will work as evidence. This will work as a proof. So to maintain business records. Calculation profit or loss. Just now I am telling you. See, if you are not able to judge the final outcome, you are moving in an endless direction. You don't know the business is going in profit or in loss. A small businessman, a fruit seller, also making one diary, not proper accounting system, but he is also making diary on a daily basis. What is his expenditure? What is his income? In the whole day, he is earning profit or facing loss. Yes, that's why the accounts prepared. Good. Next, to know the financial position. The businessman should know what is the value of land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, cash balance, stock, data, everything he wants to know. So the accounts gives full detail, complete information. And what are the liabilities also? What are the loan amount? What are the amount of creditors? Then last, providing information to users. There are various users who want to know the final outcome of your business. I'm sure you must understood. So my dear children, today we completed 2 topics. One is Qualitative characteristics of accounting, R square, UC, R, your account should be reliable, your account should be relevant, that should be understandable, and that should be comparable. So the first is how the account should be prepared. Okay, how? With 4 qualities. The next topic is why the accounts to be prepared. Yes, why the account should be prepared. What are the objectives? What are the aims for preparing accounts? First, memory is limited. Businessmen should keep all the information related to the business in a chronological order. That will work as a record, as a proof, as a evidence. At the time of making claim or at the time of court case, you will have your record. Okay, because memory is limited, we cannot remember, retain all the things. That's why accounts. Second, those parents who are doing business, you can ask your parents why they are making accounts. The first answer will be because we want to know what are the profits, what are the losses, is the business is earning, is the business is having profits, or they are facing loss. See, my dear children, without accounts, how can you judge? Okay, then third is to know the financial position. Financial position means asset and liabilities. Everyone wants to know what are their assets, what are their liabilities. Yes, it is essential part. It is the main aim of accounting to know what is the value of assets, what are the liabilities to pay to others. Yes, and last, to provide information to the interested users. Various users are there. In previous classes I explained you external users, internal users. Everyone wants to know the final outcome. Everyone wants to know what are the actual financial position of the business. That's why they prepare accounts. Okay, so today we completed 2 topics: qualitative characteristics and why accounts prepare. Aim, objectives of accounting.